Hello everyone. So I welcome you all to my channel. Today we will solve exercise 1.4. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you please subscribe and share the link to your friends. And all these examples are very much important to understand the concepts. And based on this, we can face any board exam, any other exam like NEET and JEE also. All these concepts are very important. So read carefully. Explain the meaning of the statement electric charge of a body is contact, uh, con, quantized. Quantized. Okay. So quantization of property. Okay. So based on that, this question is there. And in the same question, they have asked why can one ignore quantization of electric charge when dealing with a macroscopic, that is at a large scale charges. So look, so explain the meaning of statement electric charge of a body is quantized. Hmm? So what is the meaning? Look, the meaning is the electric charge of the body is quantized, means that the charge on the body can occur in some particular value only. Okay. So charge on the body is the integral multiple of the charge on an electron, because of charge of an electron is the elementary charge in the nature. Okay, so the charge on any body can be expressed by the formula Q is equal to plus or minus Ne, where N is the number of electrons transferred and E is the charge on electron. Okay, so what is the meaning basically? Suppose I will give you one example. Suppose in this pot, okay, there is a sugar. Okay, there is a sugar, right? And here in this pot, okay, there are some apples. There are some apples. Okay, these are the apples, suppose. Okay, so we can take this apple as a one apple. Okay, one apple. Then if you take two, so two apple, three apple, like this. Correct or not? So like this we can take. But what about sugar? Sugar, anything you can take. This much sugar you can take. This much sugar you can take. Okay, so, or suppose any other, you take water. Suppose in this water is filled, so you can take this much water here, you can take this much water here. Okay, or one glass water or half glass water, anything you can take. But here apples can be taken as a one apple, two apple, three apple. Forget about cutting. By cutting also we can take, but but here basic fundamental charge is what? Charge on electron is a fundamental charge. Its value is what? Its value is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, this we can't split. This is the charge on electron. In electron we can't split. This is the fundamental particle. Okay, so this is the fundamental charge. We can't split it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. We can take like this 1, 2, 3 or n apples, like that. Okay, so suppose from a cross section, this is a cross section of a body. So one electron is moving, means this much charge is moving. Two electrons are moving, means 2 into this much charge is moving. When three electrons are moving, means 3 into this charge, this much is moving. So like that. So charge comes integer multiple of number of electrons. Okay, so this is a quantization property of the electric charge. This is a fundamental property of the charge. Remember. Okay, so so this meaning is what? The cause of quantization is that only integer number of the electron can be transferred from one body to other body. This is the meaning. Okay, understood? So in between this we can take, means what we can say, 1.5 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. This is not possible at all. Not possible at all, because half electron, no, we can't take it. Okay, so it is always integer multiple of this basic fundamental charge. Total charge can be calculated. This is the meaning. Part B of this example is what? why one can ignore the quantization of the electric charge when dealing with a macroscopic level at a large scale. So means atomic level, electron means what? Very small portion, very small portion, which is not visible by a naked eye also. But at macroscopic level means, suppose there is one wire, okay, wire we can observe, we can see by naked eyes, and from this wire, suppose from this cross sections continuously electrons are flowing continuously. How much electrons flows per second? Okay, it's a large value in per second. Extreme number of electrons flows. So how we can calculate it? So we will consider total charge itself. We don't bother about quantization of charge. Okay, how many number of electrons into this? So we don't calculate the number of electron there. We directly calculate the current flowing, or we directly calculate the total charge flown. Total charge flown directly we can calculate. Okay, so this is the macroscopic level. Macroscopic means what? At a large scale, like this. So in the from this wire, crores of the electrons flows. So crore into basic fundamental charge, 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 into crore. That much Coulomb charge. Okay, so quantization of the charge means that the amount of the charge on the body is integral multiple of smallest unit of the charge, which is a electronic charge. Okay, that is Q into Ne, where N is the integer. That is what we have seen. But the smallest unit of charge is specially very small, this much value. Okay, but at a macroscopic level, the amount of charge transferred is very large as compared to small e. Number of electrons are in crores, lakhs, very extreme. Ocean of electron. Conductor is an ocean of electron, we say. Correct or not? So therefore, the quantization has no significance at a large scale. Only at macroscopic level. Only at microscopic. Means at atomic level we can consider 1 electron, 2 electron, or 1000 electron, or something. Okay, but macroscopic level we don't bother about this property of the charge. Basically, charge is flowing in this format, no doubt, but we don't bother about the number of electron there. We don't bother because quantity is very large. Got it? So this is the answer for these two questions. I hope you understood it very well. Note down everything and remember this. Okay, till then, study well.